Okay, so I have to get cracking. Good morning, guys. Yes, good morning from my bed. It's currently 9 a.m. Yeah, almost 9:20 a.m. and I woke up like maybe like 30 minutes ago, and I've just been scrolling on TikTok. So I just booked an appointment for a hair appointment at the salon that my sister went to yesterday, and she got this sewing with with human hair extension. So we saw it on TikTok and we decided to go and try because the price was pretty reasonable. It was affordable for a sewing. So yeah, so I booked that appointment today, and I'm going to do my hair because my hair is a mess. Like, I haven't washed my hair like close to a month now, and I haven't done my hair since maybe like ending of January to now, which is May, 2nd May. So it's like, how many months now? So let's say February, March, April. So like 3 months I haven't done my hair, and I've always been rocking this natural look. But yeah, I'm getting tired and bored of it because my hair is breaking, the ends are breaking. Anytime I comb my hair falls out. So I think I need to wash my hair and put it in a protective style. So yeah, so that's what this video is going to be about. It's just going to be me trying sewing for the second time. The first time I did it was in school when I was about completing uni. I did this half up, half down wavy sewing. So yeah, so now I'm going to do this one is a bob kind of sewing. So I'm going to do that and check if it's 100% human hair, because my sister didn't show me. I didn't come to meet her in the house like to feel the texture of the hair. The video she sent me was absolutely whack. She doesn't know how to take videos like but yeah, so that's it. So now I don't know. Now like I started this video, it gave me the morale to get started with my day. So now I'm going to brush my teeth, then take my bath, then eat before I faint in the salon over there. So eating is important. Then I'm going to try locate the place. So the place is at Madina Rolling Circle, and I'm in Madina Social Office. So that's not like, there's no distance, it's not like quite a distance over there. So I'll just take a trotch road, and I'll light somewhere, then I'll take a taxi to the Rolling Circle. Now I have to locate where her shop is at the Rolling Circle. So yeah, let's go and get a sewing to look bougie for my birthday, which is on 21st of May. And yeah, I don't know what to do for my birthday. I'm not going to do anything, because sorry for this groggy voice I have this in the morning. I have a deep voice in the morning, and after brushing my teeth it progresses into a high chirpy voice. So yeah, so for my birthday I don't really do anything, but I want to do something, maybe like buy 2 cupcakes and just put the number birthday candles on it. So 23, something in 23, big 23. I just put 2 and 3 on those candles, and do those TikTok transitions, like just blow out the candle and all this fun stuff. So yeah, but nothing much, because I don't know what I'm going to do on my birthday. Is it I'll go to restaurants or what? Because I've been ordering food from restaurants to my house, and I've been eating. I don't go to the restaurant, so it's like I do that on a normal basis. So I don't know why. But I don't know, maybe when I become 25, the biggest 25, big 25, I might do a vacation or something. But I don't know yet. So yeah, let's get started with my day. Enough talking. See you when I'm getting ready to go. Did I even say hey guys? It's Hey Flowers. Why do I keep forgetting my sub names? So yeah, see you later. Arrivederci. So guys, this is the bag. I just borrowed my sister's bag, but she's not at home, so well, what she doesn't know will not kill her. But yeah, I'm done dressing up. You can see the mess of my wardrobe behind it, but yeah, this is going to be my outfit. And excuse my dirty mirror, but yeah, we're going to wear this. It's a cargo pants and this crop top and a cap. What's New York like? And this bag I'm taking for my sister. So yeah, let's get ready. It's currently 12 something, so I have to get cracking. So see you guys at the salon.
Put it as a middle. You use the hot comb.
I have one at home. Okay.